for gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We still remain in positive MACD, but we're approaching to negative MACD territory. As we extend that further to the 4 hour chart, we are in slightly negative MACD. And as for support, that will be right at the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $47.55, acting as our temporary support. And if we were to test that level, the price movement to the downside is around 2.3%. With the daily chart, we still remain in positive MACD. And as for our temporary resistance, that will be right at the 150 moving average, this red line, at price of $51.42. If we were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is around 5.6%. And as for the trade idea for GDXJ, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $43.98. My sell target is at $49.81. And my stop loss is at $42.59. And as for my short position, my entry is at $52.58. My sell target is at $45.52, and my stop loss is at $55.59. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 36% chance to climb between 0 to 9%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%, a 14% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.